Hey everybody, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. Got a package in the mail today. Let's see what we have here. I'm outside because Michelle is talking and squealing and laughing and playing, which makes it a little bit hard to do a video. She is getting a loud voice these days. Getting strong. Maybe I'm not here. Actually, you can still see me here. Fresh off the truck today. Tac9er tactical multi-tool shovel. You get a good view right there. Tac9er Tactical multi-tool shovel, high-performance survivalist multi-tool set, built tough for strength and durability, lightweight and convenient to carry. And it's got a little bit of heft to it. It looks like there's a whole mess of tools here. Let me see. Glass face compass, magnesium flint, flat head bit, Phillips head bit, safety hammer, saw, bottle opener, rescue knife, harpoon. Unlock and fold for hoe, hex driver 2, 10 centimeter ruler / axe, hook and wire cutter, stainless steel shovel, serrated edge knife. Looks like an amazing all-in-one tool with a nylon carrying pouch. So you got a strap, metal, that's rare these days. That alone right there is a bonus. You don't see them all metal, they're usually plastic anymore. Got a little sheet about it with all the details. A little warranty. What do we got for warranty? 1 year warranty. So let's check this out. A lot of pieces here. I'm gonna have to learn how this all goes together, eh? Oh, so the shovel has its own sheath. So everything has, there's individual pouches in here. Can you see that there? And then the shovel comes in its own sort of sheath. Look at that. So how does that, oh, it's Velcro. Cool. Look at that. Wow. Got a cool looking pattern on that thing. So I'm guessing this will... Okay, brief intermission. I had to actually put this in a vise to get it to loosen. This was cranked back so tight I couldn't get it loose, so I put it in a vise and I got it broke free. It locks really tight. Now right away my first impression is this is some serious thick heavy gauge steel. I've had some tactical shovels in my hands before, and this is got some heft to it. It feels really good. Out of the box, I'm very impressed. Now this is a wicked sharp knife right here, serrated edge knife. So be careful when you're handling this. It does have a blade. I don't know how well that's going to last under use, digging in the dirt. There's also a cutting edge right here, and we got a couple wrenches and a little bit of a lip right here. So it'll be interesting to see how that handles, or how that wears. We've got here a piece. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look on the paper and see what's what. That is, what is that? That's a safety hammer. Okay. That's what that is. And here we got another piece. That's your harpoon, sort of a cool thing. So I guess you unscrew it here, put it in here, and oh nice, it's got another knife edge on that. On the harpoon it's got a sharp knife edge and a saw. Wow. So that, oh yeah, on the harpoon it's got a harpoon, saw, and a rescue knife. Wait, 789 rescue knife. And a bottle opener. Wow, they put all kinds of stuff into this. So there's a saw, knife, harpoon, bottle opener, all on that. So that's good to have. Protected on the inside of this, also with, looks like, is that a gasket or a stopper? Can't quite tell. Now this piece is plastic though, so that's surprising. Everything else is solid metal so far. Yeah. Well, I don't know about the durability of the harpoon being in a plastic piece. That's the only thing plastic so far that I've seen. Everything else looks really good. Now here we have a screwdriver, and that comes out. I'm going to have to figure out how that comes out. There's a two-headed screwdriver. Okay, I can't get this bit out. I think I'm going to need a Leatherman to pull it out, or I'm going to need to look on the internet. But here, I already took this out for looking. There's your compass, and then your ferro rod fire starter. So there's quite a bit in here, and you could put some other things in there. There's space in there. You could put a fishing kit inside there as well with the ferro rod. It looks to me like all these handles have a lot of extra room to put a lot more gear in these, and they also have O-rings on every section, so you can definitely put some more survival gear in this. Now I'm going to extend this fully and see what it looks like at its fullest extension. Oh, I see there's a way this goes together. Looks like the harpoon, because the way the screwdriver end, let me see, the harpoon will go, let me see, that goes in here. I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to put things together, because the harpoon end hangs out. Interesting. Okay, looking at the diagram here, I just went with how it's shown in order, and so I took and set up the harpoon like this. Alright, and that I can screw in now here. And then the hammer, safety hammer, I guess glass breaker, whatever you want to call that. And then the compass screwdriver. There's some heft to this. This has seriously got a lot of heft to it. This is heavy, heavy duty. Does that all get in the camera? Yeah, that's a long, see next to my arm, that's a very long shovel. Very, very long. Well guys, so far, sorry about that, quite impressive. Serious heft to this thing. This has got some solid feel. It's the most rigid feeling, solid shovel I've ever had in my hands, to be honest. One of these from the tactical type shovels. I've had some gimmicky ones in my hands that I actually didn't finish reviewing because it was not, I mean, they were garbage, honestly. Also, I read you can turn this into a hoe. Flipping this over, and you got yourself a bit of a hoe. Good pick too. Now I noticed something that also sets this above the rest for quality. This heavy duty washer that separates it here. The spacer is thick. Very good. Well, it feels like a really good quality tool. Carrying handle, shovel has its own case, and an overall carrying case. So there you go guys, the Tac9er tactical shovel multi-tool. All you need is a Leatherman and your Tac9er, and I think you're good to go. That is really good. I'm going to take this out in the woods in the next couple days and weeks here. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to see if it works as a machete for me. Being that you can change the handle length is a very good thing. You can try different extensions and different sizes on there. That does go on a belt, so you can pack it on your belt if you want, although it would be quite heavy on your belt. Shoulder strap, I would probably pack it on the back of my gear, or my backpack. It's probably where that's going to live. I'm going to have to decide with the weight, though. It's not going to be an ultralight backpacker's tool, but for your bug out bag, for long-term survival, I think that's a very, very good tool to have on hand. We'll put it through the works here, guys, in the next days and weeks, and watch for the final overall review and field testing, which is going to be extensive because of all of the many tools on this. Meanwhile, check out the comments in the video description. We'll put the links so you can get your Tac9er multi-purpose tactical survival shovel. Again, serious heft. I mean, the strength of these, the quality and the feel of each piece. Each piece is a weapon in itself. If you get caught with one of these in your hand, there's some serious strength to these. I'm impressed with the weight of each piece of the handle and the quality machining of it. And overall, it's a solid tool. I think you could probably split a little bit of wood with that, and I'm going to check out their recommendations on there, and I'm going to check out the pamphlet here. But yeah, ruler / axe. That's got some heft. I think you might be able to do a little bit of splitting. Not some massive, 20-inch logs, but I think you can split some wood with that better than most of the stuff I've had in my hands. Alright guys, check it out. Thanks for watching. Again, stay tuned for the full review. Check out Tac9er website. And please do like, subscribe, and share. Watch for tactical and survival videos. Talk to you later.